Easily create and share photorealistic renderings of your products to promote a design and deliver stunning content for customer engagements. 3DRender's user interface was designed for easy image production so that everyone can produce marketing material based on a 3D real-time model. Easily manipulate the model with simple rotation tools and create variations quickly. Lighting controls like brightness and rotation update the preview immediately, and with immersive backplates available, you get a great sense of realism even in a preview window. Tweaks are possible like material refinement on the experience level without breaking the link to the product data. Stellar Precise Preview streaming in the web browser supports superior material appearances and render quality in global illumination mode. 3DRender has a fully scalable infrastructure for large-scale productions and teams via Render as a Service. Connect and continue working anytime, anywhere with no client installation. You can also pay only when you render through the power of cloud computing. 3DRender allows you to harmonize brand identity through look and feel consistency across 2D and 3D experiences. If you would like to find out more, please contact SolidX today.